How to delete duplicate photos on your Android device. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to guide you through on how we can delete duplicate photos on our Android device. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. So the very easy method we can do is downloading the files by Google. That allows us that option where we can delete the duplicate photos easily. So if you are on Android, just go ahead and download it from Google Play Store. After that, open up the app on your device, and when you have successfully launched the app, you can see this menu bar at the top left corner. Just go ahead and navigate it, and you can find this option called clean on the very first. Just go ahead and tap on it. So when you go here, if you have any duplicate files available, when you go to the internal storage, or you can directly go through the app as well. So if you have any duplicate files available, here you can find this option called duplicate files, where if you have any duplicate photos, you can find it here as well. So what you're going to do is simply select it, and you can find this delete option. Just go ahead and confirm it, move it to recycle bin. After that, delete it from your recycle bin as well, and it will be deleted permanently. So that is how you can delete your unnecessary photos, your duplicate photos, and clear up your space in your Android device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.